Depot gonna do nothing, man. I should have asked her about the hot dog eating contest, man. 12 a.m. at the hood track and she looking for kids. Hell yeah, I didn't see any kids. I was looking around, I didn't see any kids. I ain't ready for no lemon right now. I'm still playing with my taco meat. Okay, Home Depot out of it, y'all. They done messed up. My baby, my baby.
At least not this next coming Thursday.
Not this Thursday, but next Thursday.
I got a lot of work to do with that thing.
Right.
Then I got to take it, drop it off to John to let him tune it.
Oh damn, you do got a lot to do.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, Brandon say not this Thursday, but next Thursday.
Thursday from now, my car will be back at it.
Yeah, okay.
Whenever. Hey, I seen old freight train.
Somebody talking about you need some suspension work. Is that true? Right line for the win. He say nah, he don't need no suspension work.
It's done.
He got all that's finished and figured out. He just need the, he said his transmission, he changing over to a 2-speed, got a new converter.
It's got a power glide in it now.
What's the kind you getting?
I'm getting the Deadenberry.
Deadenberry.
It's 2,000. It's built to hold 2,000 plus.
Okay.
You know, my car don't make that.
Yeah, so you ain't gonna worry about
I think my car might be with the kits that we're putting on it. It may
Yeah.
be, I'm sorry.
about 15, 13.
13. Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and John figured that it's probably the motor's probably in the 8s somewhere.
Somebody say what size motor? You use a big block, right? That's all you tell them.
It's a big block.
It's a big block, y'all. It's a big block. No problem, miss. Okay, I was wondering how long you been following me, man. We got Slow 035. Appreciate the follow. That dude 024. Hey. And Fatty.
Oh, we sold the Hellcat today, bro.
Oh, y'all did?
Yes, sir.
Man, that's
We sold
good.
the Hellcat and bought a Jeep, Grand Cherokee. It's just a regular one. They know SRT or not.
Oh, okay.
But no, we found some property down there, man.
Where?
In East Texas, 36 acres.
Oh, this little thing running?
It's slower than a fucking turtle on his back, but it's clean as car.
What? Let me see what this little Volkswagen Golf talking about, man. Who has that been following me for 10 months, man? Bojangles. Man, Bojangles been that long?
I lifted a fucking way.
Clean but slow.
Why is every Volkswagen spin? Every Volkswagen.
You gotta get an all-wheel drive one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the all-wheel drives don't be spinning like that. No all-wheel drives. You get your all-wheel drive, no spinning. Ah! 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 God damn. Man, Raphael, man, where you been, starting not to see you that often.
Oh, us?
Yeah, you, man. Sam, man. Y'all been high, y'all. Where y'all been, man? Out of town? Oh, okay. That's understandable. They trying to, you still racing? Oh, okay. What car you got? You still got the Raphael and Son Mustang? Yeah, okay. Okay. It's coming next year or this year? Next year or this year, though?
I'll probably pull it out this year.
Oh, okay. We still looking for 2021, y'all. We still coming out 2021. That's good.
Coming out too.
Sound ain't gonna do nothing. Yeah, he ain't going nothing either. He said he coming out too, out the closet. Oh, yeah, I got this side. He ain't finished paying for it. He done stuck all the money in the car. This side. He still got paper plates. I got this side, man. Look, he got gauges. He ain't buying his tags. He buying gauges and shit.
You want to prep him or not?
Yeah, he need to be prepped, man. Back up a little bit right there, right there.
Want to prep him or no?
Nah.
He's doing good right now? No. Okay.
Nah, just let him make it like this, man.
Make him do more back. Make him more back.
Yeah. Let me see.
Hey, just let him do it. Let him do it.
Ah, man, he can't shift, man.
It's a fresh track that's over,
I thought he was gonna shift it. He ain't shift. Yeah, he sure ain't shifting that thing like he supposed to, man. Rev limiter like a motherfucker. He had tracks because he didn't take off good.
Get that whole alive, get that whole alive.
I'm trying to see something. Yeah, he filling it up. Hey, have you ever been to Yello Belly? Okay. Okay, he 3 deep over here in the Camaro 6 gen. And this side. Okay. Where y'all betting at? Where you at, man?
Right here. 10
I got 5. I got 5 over there, man. 10 over there. 5 or 10. Which one you want? 5 or 10. Bet.
5 to 10.
Nah, I said 5 or 10. Which one you want to bet? 10.